It's showtime. It's showtime. Everybody, tell me what time it is.
Troy hit it.
Everybody get your hands like this. Come on, let's go. Get your hands like this. Let's get them, Jake. Ellen, hit it. Somebody scream. All right.
Coming to him, how to dance the road. Good loving, I got a truckload.
Sing like a black man.
And when you get it, well, you've got something. I said, don't you worry, 'cause baby, I'm coming. I'm a soul man. I know you guys know it. I'm a soul man.
We want to hear everybody. Everybody, come on.
I'm a soul man. Now it's just you. I'm a That's right. Now what I got? The whole way. I'll make it better each and every day. So honey, I said don't you fret. 'Cause you ain't seen what Jazz can do yet. I'm a soul man. Come on, Jazz. I'm a soul man. Show 'em what you're working with. Soul man. Keep watching. He's a soul man. Ha. Grab a rope and I'll pull him. He'll give you hope and be your only boyfriend. Yeah.
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 All right, now I want to see everyone clapping along. Come on, get your hands up, keep with the beat. They're gonna lay down some blues. Here we go. I'm a soul bell. I'm a soul bell. I'm a soul bell. Jazz is a soul man. I'm a soul man. Thank you very much. All right, now on the way over here, I promised Motorhead he could do a song. You want to hear him? Come on, you want to hear my brother? All right, this is from 1957 by the Chips. Get your hands up. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's do that again. The other day I had a wish sandwich.
Tell me what that is.
A wish sandwich is the kind of sandwich where you have two slices of bread, whether it's white or wheat or pumpernickel, and you sincerely wish, my friends, you had some meat.
Bow wow.
Hey,
Get those hands on. Hold on, everybody.
the other day I had a ricochet biscuit.
Brother, tell him what that is.
A ricochet biscuit is the kind of biscuit where it's supposed to bounce off the wall and back into your mouth.
What's gonna bounce back?
If it don't bounce back, you will go hungry. The other day I had a cool water sandwich and a Sunday go to meat and bun.
Bow wow wow wow. Let's go ahead. Now I ask you people, what do you want
for nothing. Arababisky! Bow, bow to you.
Well, that's my brother Elwood, guys. Give it up for Jazz.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh,
All
yeah.
right, well, that sounds pretty good, boys, but Soul Sister's back. Hit it, all these other fellas you've been jamming with, huh? All in my neighborhood.
Yeah.
So why didn't you invite me to the party? That was pretty